this is a park where they play dominoes. This ice cream has guava chunks, cream cheese, and some kind of cookies from Zukar. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, that'll give me the pick me up. Time to head to the ballpark, I think. Alright, time to go watch some baseball. Time to watch the Pirates get their first win of the year. Had a good time at Little Havana. Now headed into Marlins Stadium. Never been to this ballpark before. The stadium looks absolutely huge. Looks like a giant spaceship.
Ball up the middle. And Chisholm will race to third. Taylor going to throw that way. Not going to get him. It's first and third. PNC Park and drives this one to left field. He put a charge into that one. Clear the deck. Cannonball coming. There's a base hit left field. One run is home. Jazz rounding third. Here's the throw. Safe. Or a base hit, you'll get two.
Baseball skills for a clinic conducted by Marlins players. Before the clinic began, the participants were given customized jerseys.
PNC Park out here. Pretty cool, nonetheless. I really like the vibe here at the stadium. Very Miami-like.
I don't want to cut anybody before it started.
Fans, this call to the bullpen is
Manager of the year, Olivares. Fly ball to center field, hit pretty deep. Chisholm back to the wall, and how about it? Clear the deck. Cannonball coming in.
Olivares, what the world? I need like 3 more of those.
Fly ball to left field. Toward the wall, and how about a tie game with a cruise missile? Oppo, 5-5.
3-2 counts. Runners on first and second. Let's go, Henry Davis.
Line drive caught by the third baseman Berger. Third baseman Berger. So the intentional walk makes all the sense in the world in a double play ball. There's one. Oh, man, Connor Joe, a heck of a play.
Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Are you happy with the Marlins performance today?
Oh my God, come on, let the party go. Now let's bring a win home.
No win, no win.
And into right center field, a base hit. Triolo delivers the throw to the plate, cut off. Bell's throw in the dirt. And now Triolo trying to get in a rundown. Cruz is going to be tagged out. The Pirates settle for 1.
Yes, sir! Oh, no! Ah, come on! Hey, we got one. We got one.
Did a run score?
Yeah. Key Brian scored for the second. High five? All right. Good job. Good job.
Not by much.
Not by much. What a game. What a game. Hey, good game. Orange season. That was a good win. That was the first time I saw the Pirates win in probably 6 games. It's been like 2019 since they've won for me when I've attended. What a win. Down 5-2, come back, bullpen played great. That was fun. Love the vibe I love the vibe in the Miami Stadium.